friends, real friends, better than your friends. That's how we keep popping out that binge, yeah. No foes, real friends, we ain't even gotta pretend, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you clicked to watch this video. And if you're new, I hope that you subscribe and that you like this video and click that like button also. Today's video, I've always was inspired because I always been like the person that will do it herself. Like I always find ways that I can do things myself just to save some money. So, and I do want to give a disclaimer. I'm not a professional. I'm not I think they call them estheticians or a lash tech. I'm not neither one of those. So by that, you just take whatever I'm saying with a grain of salt and do your own research, and then you can decide to, if you want to do your own, decide if you want to do your own lashes or not. But this is just what I like to do. So yeah, I just want to get that out the way. But if you are like me and you do like to do things yourself, this will be the perfect video if you want to do your individual lashes. They come in clusters, but they're basically like individual lashes to get that same lash effect that you would get if you get lash extensions. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. And I also, in the video, I show you the tools and everything that you'll need to get this look. But I forgot to tell you that you do need a magnifying mirror. I have one, but I didn't know where it was, so I just used a regular mirror, and it was kind of testy and kind of difficult to do that. But I promise you it'll be much easier if you can get you a magnifying mirror. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, before I leave, I did post my Florida vlog when I went to Bahamas and went on a Carnival cruise on my vlog channel. They'll be linked below, so check that out. It was way overdue. I went there 2 months ago, and I just decided to edit the video and put it on my other vlog channel. So yeah, go check that out if you want to see that. It's so much fun. Like, it was so much fun. But yeah, with all that being said, just get into this video. Okay, so you're going to want to get some individual lashes of your style, whatever you like, some lash adhesive, a spoolie, aluminum foil, and also some tweezers. And last and certainly not least, you're going to need some patience. Okay, so we're going to start off with a fresh face, and with this spoolie, you're going to just brush your eyelashes out and make sure there's no lumps or clumps. And also, you want to make sure that there's no oil on your actual lashes. My eyelids are actually kind of oily. That's fine, but as long as your lashes are dry, everything should be okay. Okay, so next you're just going to take your adhesive and pour it out on the aluminum foil. This is going to prevent it from drying out as fast, or you can just take the ends of the individual lashes and dip it inside the bottle. I've seen some people do that as well, but I figured this method that I'm doing is much easier and much, what's the word I'm looking for? Much sanitary. Okay, so next we're going to go in with the eyelashes, and I have a medium pack and a long pack. It's certainly up to you if you want to have your full lash with medium size, but I like a wispy look, so that's why I have two different styles. So we're just going to open that and take our tweezers and pull it out close to the knot, well, close to the end of the lashes, but not over the lashes, just like how I just did. Now we're going to take that and dip it into the glue, and if you put a lot of glue, it's going to last longer. If you put less glue, of course it's going to come off sooner, so it's up to you. Now I'm just going to take my tweezers and take my mirror as well and look down, and also I'm just going to apply it as close to my lash line as possible without adhering it to my skin. So you don't want to put it to the skin because that's when it's going to burn. You just want to get it as close to the lash line as possible and just let it sit. And once you put it down, you're going to take the back of the tweezers and keep it and push it in place. And I know sometimes when I'm applying the lashes, I'm out of frame, but that's okay. You'll get the point. So you're just going to keep on filling in your lashes with this method. And always remember, patience is key. So don't rush. This is like my third time doing my lashes, and it's a learning process. So just remember to take your time and just place them wherever you would like for them to be placed. Make sure when you're dipping the lash inside the glue, make sure that it doesn't touch your tweezers, or else this would happen. I was trying to place the lash on my lash, but it stuck to the tweezer, and when you try to pull it away, the lash goes with it. So yeah, make sure that you're actually putting the lash in the glue and not the tweezers. And this is what I meant when I say when you place it, you can use the back of the tweezer to push it into position. So yeah, this is always better than trying to use your hand. So I just use the back of the tweezer to make sure that it falls in position. And you can always lift up your lid like I'm doing here and look at the bottom. You can see where you place each one, and you can see where you want to place the other lashes that you want to add on, because you can kind of see the spaces. So I just lift my lid and use that as a guide. Gonna basically keep doing the same thing until you get to the eyelash style that you like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. um yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're able to learn something from this, and also do your own research. So you, because the tools I use are only for professional use only, but of course I like doing things on my own. So I hope you guys take that into consideration. Sorry, I can't talk. And I hope you learn from something from it. I'll see you in my next video.